Alright, time for everything you've been waiting for. Toy Collection Part 3. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty long video. It's not going to be that long, but hold on, let me just get you a starting toy. And it's the best one. It's probably the best plushie for kids, for kids who like watching cartoons, so I'm gonna show you Elmo. He looks good. Oh, he looks fuzzy. But let me show you an even softer Elmo plush. Can I? Elmo. What do the viewers do? Like and click that little bell. Elmo. Yeah. That is from a completely different series that I'm doing right now. What's a series? It's like a collection of videos to watch. Oh, okay. I'm gonna show you an even softer Elmo plushie. Like and subscribe and click that bell, please. I will appreciate it great. That's great, Elmo. Thank you. So yeah, this is gonna be a long video. By that I mean like not too long. But hold on. Alright, I was just getting my rocket blankie on. So yeah, this is my rocket blankie. This is my reindeer plush. It's pretty cute. So cute. Hold on. Be right back. I'm back. So yeah, I love all of them. A minion. This is Bob the Minion. Oh yeah, I know y'all want Tom in the video, so I'm gonna put Tom in this video. Alright, Tom. Make sure you don't fall over this time. I literally did not notice you fell over, but until I looked around at you, I did notice. I don't have a Jurassic Park plush. So, I got a new diffuser. It's an owl diffuser. Hold on, I'll be right back. Is that your video? Is that one of your video? I'm back. So yeah, the reason why you couldn't see me from over there was because like Bob was in the way. Bob the Minion was in the way. And the next video I'm gonna record is probably me and my friend. Me and one of my friends. And I'm gonna introduce him in one of the videos, but he can't make a plush. He's only 10 years old. No. He's gonna be 12 this year, and this is not a special. So the specials were only was only the Halo special, still special. But I'll make a Christmas special. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I mean, like, none of my Nintendo games have ever had a Christmas update. Oh yeah, And on my Nintendo Switch, I have a Nintendo System Entertainment Classics. So that includes the original Mario Bros. Let me know if you have that on your Nintendo Switch. And you need a Nintendo Switch online membership to play it. So yeah, let's begin the video. And I don't think I'm gonna pause, but I'm gonna get one of my hats on. I'm gonna take off this blanket. Get my bed. Alright, the blanket's off. So just let me put some stuff on. What is this? Oh, it's for my lightsaber. I'm gonna put it right there. Alright. I put the stuff on me. I look pretty good. And I even put on a Louis backpack. Yeah, let's begin. And I'm not going to show any of my toys that aren't plushies. Just like a plush. Like this series is like... So the series is like only showing my plushies. Only showing plushies. And maybe some other toys. Oh yeah, and I got a Monsters Inc. toy from McDonald's today. I got Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. and I got... don't know her name yet. And... yeah, let's begin the video. Oh yeah, and like this is like pre-recording, so I'm pre-recording right now on January 6th. On January 6th. No, it's so I'm pre-recording right now. And the reason why my ear's going like that is because, well, this hat's supposed to be a silly Sonic hat. So, oh yeah, and I have a few Sonic plushies I forgot to show you in the last video. And this will automatically stop because I won't have enough space. So if I don't say bye, it's because it automatically stopped because I don't have enough space. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to show you my Sonic plushies first, because I have a Sonic hat on. And I also have a Sonic blanket, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, and I got a Jessie Squashmallow for Christmas. Okay, so this is a cool Sonic plush. And this Sonic plush is only just called Sonic plush. And I think it's about $17. So if you want to, and I made Tom out of a M-A-T-T-Y Build-A-Bear. And M-A-T-T-Y is basically just like white but human colored. So M-A-T-T-Y. So let me tell you how I made Tom. So how I made Tom is like, so I went to the Build-A-Bear workshop in a mall, but if you want to shop for it online on your phone or tablet, feel free to pause the video and do that if you want to get another version of Tom. So basically how to make Tom is like, so if you want to make Tom, you need a M-A-T-T-Y Build-A-Bear with a blue Happy Birthday shirt and some navy blue overalls and some black and white shoes. Oh yeah. And don't forget to pause. Oh yeah. And oh yeah. So my Sonic plush. So this. So this thing has something important to say to you. What is it?
Team Sonic on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team Sonic. Gotta go fast. Let's party! Team Sonic on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team Sonic.
Fake Sonic. I'm gonna keep him right here. So, oh right, I don't want my room to be messy. Oh, I'll just clean up my room after this video. And I'm gonna show you how my room looks right now. Pretty clean. I am very sorry if that wasted your time. I am very sorry if you wasted your time. And if you're going to bed now, and if you want to stay up and watch this video, that's fine. And again, I'm pre-recording. So I'm going to upload this video on about in 2 days. So yeah, so do whatever you want. And if you wanna not watch this video, I'm just pre-recording. So if it takes a while to upload, that's because well, all my videos are live when they're uploading. And like my brother haven't even seen the SpongeBob Kenny the Cat episode when it was live. Like he haven't even seen it, but I found it on about season 8 or season 9 of SpongeBob. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show you some cool toys that I have that are not plushy. So it's time to do. Well, I made my figure collection. Part 1 of my figure collection, and I think it was a short. No, I didn't do my figure collection yet. Wait, no, I did. I just don't know if it was part 1 or part 2 or part 3. But this is like the final part. But I will do a bonus part of toy collection, and it's gonna be a short. And this will not be the last video I'll make. I'll make tons more videos. And if I start recording for a million years, that's because I probably passed away. But I'll probably never pass away. I won't. Oh yeah, and the reason why Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy never showed up in their last SpongeBob episode called Super Evil Quad Village Team Up is Go is because, well, the voice actors for Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy sadly passed away in 2010, and the other one passed away in 2019. But if you haven't figured that out, well, I figured that out. Like, I didn't Google it or anything. And if you wanna see how to make a TABS Sackboy Jester, but at Winghaven, I can't play any games today after. I can't play any video games after today. Oh yeah, and okay, so wait, okay, so hold on, let me think what I was saying. Oh yeah, Oh, yeah, figure collection, right. Figure and plush collection. So we're gonna do the figures now. Wait. Where did my cool Power Rangers figure go? Where'd it go? I'll just find that. Hold on. I haven't seen my coolest Power Rangers action figure in days. And it was $20. And it's like the coolest Power Ranger toy they have. Oh, I found them. Oh no. So the only Power Ranger toys I have right now is, well, I have this cool Red Ranger, which can do this. It's actually pretty cool. It can change its head into a Power Ranger and a civilian. And this is my Smash Armor Pink Ranger from Power Rangers Dino Fury. And if you want to watch Power Rangers Dino Fury, add this video to your watch later list. And if you want to watch Power Rangers Dino Fury, add this video to your watch later list, and then you can watch it later. But once you've already watched this video, you can remove it from watch later, and then you can watch this video again in your history. If you click view all, you can see it. So I know I haven't shown much toys because I've been talking most of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna, after 3 more toys, this video's over. And this is just the end of the toy collection franchise that I'm making. But yeah, this is the end of my toy collection franchise, and I'll make a lot more franchises. I'll do some challenges, but I don't know which kind of challenges yet. And they aren't gonna be like challenges that these other YouTubers do, like Nick Pro. He does a lot of challenges, but once I get Into the Spider-Verse plush, oh yeah, I'll definitely show that in my bonus video. But once I get a Spider-Verse plush, I'm gonna show it in my bonus. So yeah, once I get a Spider-Verse plush, the Into the Spider-Verse plush, I'm gonna show you it in my bonus. So my bonus will be once I get a Into the Spider-Verse plush and when it gets delivered. But yeah, there's a Spider-Man interactive watch that's probably based off the first movie. The first Spider-Man movie. So if you ever get bit by a spider, don't think you get spider powers. You need to buy spider powers by searching up web shooters on Google. And Target doesn't really have good web shooters. No, I meant web shooters, bruh. So 2 more plushies. Oh wait, 3. Alright. So I'm gonna make a pillow pal. Yeah, this one is a pillow pal. It's a pillow pal. Look at its tummy. It's a pillow pal. But it just needs a Velcro. So if you want this, you could just search up B Pillow Pal and then buy one that looks like this if you have the money. If you want a new pillow. And this thing is so soft with 100% comfort. Oh yeah, and if you have your own troubles with sleep, make sure to if you have your own troubles with sleep, just if you have your own troubles with sleep, just buy the Manta Sleep Pro Sleep Mask. So Manta Sleep Pro Sleep Masks are like masks, but for sleeping, and they only cover your eyes. My mom has it, but it's not a Manta Sleep. It's just a regular purple sleeping mask, and it has 100% blackout. So yeah, after 2 more plushies, I'm gonna show you the a cute plush, a cute, very cute plush. What is not my cutest plush? Tom is very, very cute too. Alright, I have this plush, and I got it from Target. Or here's Teeter. No, yeah, it was Target. So I got this one from Target, and if you want it, just search up, Beagle. Tell them what they should look up. So what should you look up to find another version of me, Beagle? So to find another version of me, you need to find another version of me, you have to look up, you need to look up, look up. So to find another version of me, I'm so sorry this is taking long. So to find another version of me, Beagle. Can you please quiet up, Elmo? So to find another version of me, you need to search up warm doggy plushies. Warm dog plushies for boys. And then just search up warm doggy lifesaver doggy plush for kids, and then you can click me. Oh yeah, and if you hear any music, it's my SpongeBob that I forgot to pause. So yeah, one more toy, and it's gonna be a Funko Pop. Thank you, Beagle. So I only have one Funko Pop. I'm gonna show you it. And if you're hoping it's gonna be a Halo Funko Pop, well, it is. It's Halo Infinite. It's probably the best Halo game out there. What am I saying? Halo Campaign Evolved is the best Halo game, and it's gonna release later this year, 2026. And it's not a rumor anymore. It's already released. But you just need to so if you subscribe to the Halo channel, if you get a notification from the Halo channel, click their notification, and then you should be able to play it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show you, what toys you should, what Funko Pops you should collect to finish your Halo Funko Pop set. You need the Grunt, which I already have, the Halo Grunt, the Halo Infinite Grunt. And if you want a plushie version of this Funko Pop, just search up Halo Grunt plush, and then find the one that looks just like it. Looks just like it. Oh yeah, and if you want to pause and look at this video, look at the box, that's fine. I'll give you, this is where the toy collection ends. But I'll make a bonus, so it's not exactly where it's ending. So So yeah, bye, and make sure to pause and look at this if you need to. So bye, see you in the next video.